crown lengthening procedures. Which is a very important surgery for all practitioners who want to practice crowns, veneers, and managing patients with gum smile. The crown lengthening procedures include static crown lengthening or cosmetic crown lengthening and functional crown lengthening. At this lecture, we will talk about both workflows. The first one is the conventional workflow. At this workflow, we will know how to assess the patient clinically and radiographically. And the digital workflow, we will know how to make the crown lengthening procedures in a guided manner or computer-assisted crown lengthening procedures, which is the most recent approach for managing gum smile patients. We will know the steps of the surgery in many clinical situations and anterior part and posterior part. We will show 8 to 9 clinical cases step by step to know the know-how of each step and how can we adjust the step to perform successful treatment outcomes. And the very important point is that how can we assess the relapse of the case to be able to select our cases properly. I'm Dr. Bassem and this is SPC Online Academy.